Hey foodies! Today, I'm showing you how to make an irresistible roasted red pepper and goat cheese bruschetta at home. It's a delicious symphony of smoky, creamy and herby flavors that will have your taste buds dancing. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. 2 large red peppers roasted and peeled, 1 baguette sliced, 200 g goat cheese, a few sprigs of fresh thyme, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Now let's roast the red peppers. Place them on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and roast for about 25 minutes until the skin is charred. Once done, let them cool, then peel and slice them into strips. While the peppers are roasting, slice your baguette into 1 centimeter slices. Brush them with olive oil and toast them in the oven for about 5 minutes until they're golden. Now, let's assemble. Spread a generous layer of goat cheese on each slice of baguette. Layer on a few strips of roasted red pepper, sprinkle with fresh thyme, and season with salt and pepper. Drizzle more olive oil if you like that extra touch. And there you have it, roasted red pepper and goat cheese bruschetta. It's a perfect appetizer for any occasion, and trust me, it disappears fast. Long description. Discover the secret to making roasted red pepper and goat cheese bruschetta at home. Experience smoky peppers, creamy goat cheese, and aromatic thyme on crispy baguette slices. This quick, easy, and delicious recipe is ideal for any gathering or a cozy night in. Plus, check out our video on how to make lemon chicken at home for a complete meal. Subscribe for more culinary adventures. Hashtags #roasted red pepper #, goat cheese #, bruschetta #, easy recipes #appetizers, #foodie #cooking at home #, delicious #home cooking tasty food snack ideas quick recipes, Savory Gourmet yum cooking inspiration, simple meals recipe of the day baguette time tags, roasted red pepper bruschetta, goat cheese appetizer, easy bruschetta recipe, homemade bruschetta, roasted pepper recipe, goat cheese recipes, thyme recipes, best appetizer recipes, quick appetizers, bruschetta ideas, toasted baguette, appetizer ideas, homemade appetizers, simple appetizer recipes, delicious appetizers. End of the video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups, which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes.